Okay, so as I know, people are really making money from YouTube, TikTok, all those type of platforms. But how about Facebook? So is it possible to make money on Facebook? Well, the answer is yes. There are a lot of ways of making money on Facebook, but in this video, we're going to focus on getting paid by Facebook. So what do I mean by this? This is whereby, okay, Facebook actually pays you when they place adverts in your videos. So this is what's called in-stream ads. This is where you earn money by placing short ads in your qualifying videos, live and on demand. So this is a feature that is only available in a few countries, but as of now, okay, it's slowly coming to Zambia, and there are people in Zambia who are actually, okay, being invited to try it out and make money with it. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know or everything you need to do. So this is Facebook in-stream ads. So let's talk about the requirements first of all. So what are the requirements needed for you to participate in this? So they're saying that you need to be in an eligible country. Okay, Zambia is not among the list, but that cannot prevent you from actually making money. Okay, same as YouTube. Like YouTube may not be available in Zambia, but people still, okay, are able to make money with that. So most importantly is that you need to comply with Facebook partners monetization policies. Like for this, you definitely have to create original content, not the type of content that Zambians are doing, whereby simply copy and paste what others are doing, like posting someone's songs, okay, gossip, that type of content. So that's to something of original. Then you need to have a minimum of 5,000 or 10,000. So for 5,000 is for video on demand, then for 10,000 is for live videos, like if you want to be going live, okay, like the way people go live on TikTok. Then you need to have 60,000 total minutes viewed in the last 60 days. This can be tracked. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. And you need to have a page with at least 5 active videos. So this is achievable. Okay, so let's talk about how you can know if your page qualifies. So how do you know? So I'm going to include all these links in the description so that you can check them out. So all you need to do is visit this tool. So this tool is going to help you check which of your pages qualify. So as for me, I've got 2 pages. There's Keith Monad, Keith Rains. Okay, but my most active one is Keith Rains. So when I click on Keith Rains, okay, it's saying that what I'm currently qualifying is branded content. What does this mean? So this is where I can actually earn money by paid partnerships with brands that want to collaborate on creating and sharing content with my audience. Okay, but there are other monetization tools that I've actually not qualified for. So what are these? So they are in-stream ads. Okay, I've not met them. Why so? It's because as for me, I only create content for YouTube. I don't post my videos on my Facebook. Like they only share links. Okay, so when I click on view criteria, you can see that I've only managed to get of about 57%. Like I need to have like 5,000 followers. I think I've got 2,500 followers somewhere there. Then minutes, as you can see, I've got 1%. So remember that when I'm visiting this link, you need to be logged in so that Facebook can show your pages and see which of the pages qualify. Okay, and finally, videos is saying that you need to have a minimum of 5 videos. I think I've got that. It's all there. Then now the fan subscriptions is invite only, so Facebook is going to invite me. Then for in-stream ads for live, okay, the criteria has also not been met. So when I click on this, okay, and finally, like if you like to set up your payment details, like all you need to do is head over to Facebook business. Then on Facebook business, you click where it's saying monetization. So on monetization, this is where you'll be able to see which of these tools you actually qualify for, and you'll be able to see them here. So as you can see, my page is able to earn money because I am following the partner monetization policies. Then when I click on view page eligibility, okay, this is where it actually shows me Okay, which of these have met and not. Then now for payouts, so you can actually get paid, I think, in three ways. Okay, direct to your bank account, to your PayPal, or even check. Yeah, something like that. So click on settings. Okay, so when you click on update payout, this is where you can actually link your bank account. So all you need to do is choose a country, and when you scroll down, as you can see, Zambia is actually there. So if Zambia is there, then it's possible to get paid. Then enter in your account name, then your SWIFT code and the account number. That's if you've got a bank account. If you've got a PayPal account, simply enter it here. Then the online banking one, this is just for USA, I think, and people in Europe. This can't work in Zambia. Okay, so all this may seem very complicated and hard, but with the help of me, all this is simple. I can actually help you set up everything, from making sure that your account is not against Facebook's policies, like against their terms, okay, to making sure that you finally be able to monetize and getting paid. I can help you with all this. Like all you need to do is simply contact me, and we'll talk from there. So all you need to do is simply WhatsApp me. My contact details will be in the description. Okay, and don't inbox me on Facebook. Don't inbox me on Instagram. Don't inbox me anywhere else, because there are a lot of fake platforms in my name. So you may end up getting scammed if you end up inboxing the wrong account. But if you inbox me on WhatsApp, okay, there are no fake WhatsApp accounts of mine. I only have got one number. So I think, let me do this. Okay, and this is my number: 0977 77 02 02. It's that easy. 0977 77 02. So don't call me, simply leave me a message on WhatsApp, and I'll get back to you once I'm free. This is Keith.